Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Dilip. So here in this video, we are going to discuss about the upcoming IPO of Ola Electric. So I am sure most of you would have heard about it and most of you would be in dilemma whether to apply for this IPO or not. So here in this video, let's go through section by section and let's see whether we could apply for this or not. So Ola Electric itself is relatively new. It has been established in the year of 2017. And coming to the IPO details itself, the issue is going to open on August 2nd, which will be open for 5 days. So issue price band is somewhere between 70 to 76 rupees. So if you apply on at a lower band, there is a less likelihood you will be considered for allotment. If you apply for 76 higher price, there is a likelihood you will be taken into consideration for allotment. Now the total shares issued is approximately 8.5 crore, and they are raising a capital of 6,150 crore, nearly 150 crores. The valuation that they are looking for this IPO is 33,500 crores. This is the brief about Ola Electric. Now coming to the issue category here, the qualified institutional category, they have a minimum allotment category of 75%, and the non-institutional category or the HNIs, they have up to 15%, and the retail category, it's somewhere up to 10%. So here the thing is, you need to understand when it comes to qualified institutional category, these are the people who have good amount of money, 10, 20, 30 crores and all. So these people, most of the time, they get allocation. Where when it comes to non-institutional category, again up to 15%, and non-institutional category, the allocation will be dependent on the oversubscription size. So let's say they apply for 10,000 shares, it has been oversubscribed by 10 times. So when it comes to retail category, it's always a 50-50. Most of the time, the retail category will be oversubscribed 20, 30 times when it comes to companies like this. In that case, as retail category, it's very less likelihood they will get an allocation. So here in this video, we'll see how to increase our chances to get an allocation. Now coming to the company statement itself, they said that they are going to use this 6,000 plus crores across the spectrum. They're going to invest it in R&D and organic growth, company growth. They're also going to increase their cell manufacturing plant from 5.5 gigawatts to 6.4 gigawatts. They are going to invest this across the spectrum. First, discussing about pros of this company, it's a very dominant player. The Ola brand itself is there from long period of time. They were able to establish this brand pretty quickly. Even before they came into this electric business, they have good brand recognition. And with this, they could able to reach substantial user base and wide geographical reach is there. So this Ola Electric itself, they are trying to diversify into multiple segments like Ola Maps. So they are going into this mobility solutions, etc. And these people have a first mover advantage. If you look at somewhere in 2017, we don't have much of electric vehicles at that point of time. So these are the first people who came with these electrical vehicles. The electrical vehicle market in India is rapidly expanding. So 5 years back, you don't have any kind of electric scooters around you, and they have very strong backing from many funds like Soft Vision Fund, it could be Tiger Global Management and all. They have very strong backing for this. So these are few pros of this company. And when it comes to cons, there are more negatives than positive things we can speak about Ola company. And here mainly, if you look at who are unloading these shares, it's the major stakeholders. Bhavish Agarwal, he was having somewhere around 21% of Ola Electric share. He's dumping 3.79 crore shares, and Industrust, it is dumping somewhere around 41 lakh shares. Ostrich promoters, they are offering 2.3 crore shares out of the total shares of 8.1 crore. So here, this is one thing when the promoters are offloading their shares, and it has negative cash flow, we can say consistent losses, not much of profits has been seen, and it has nearly 10 to 15 competitors. If you look at the national brands, Ather, Hero, Okinawa, all these things, they are all very established brands in other countries, in India and all. They are also coming into this segment. So there is an intense competition, nearly 10 to 15. Low, if you consider all the local players also, it will be 15 or even more. And supply chain is one major issue with this. If you book a electric vehicle, it is going to take a minimum of 1 to 3 months delivery time. Even there are problems with the servicing centers. It takes 1 to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, like that, to get a small servicing, like some battery problem and all. So these are all the problems that Ola is currently facing. And now coming to the main question, whether is it a good idea to apply for this or not. Now, you don't need to hold for long term. Even if the company itself is bad, you don't have to hold it for long term. So there is always something called listing gains. So most of the time, these kind of reputed companies, they are going to get listed at very premium prices, 100%, 200%, 300%. For that, you can apply for it. And how do you apply it? Don't just apply on the first or second day. There is a 5-day window to apply. So wait for 3 days and look for how the institutional category and how the other categories are oversubscribed. If the other HNI category and non-institutional category is oversubscribed by 5 times or 10 times, there is a good possibility even retail category will get oversubscribed, of course. So then that says that the interest among the IPO is very high. Even you can apply for it. Now the problem here is, if there is a 10 times oversubscription, obviously you are not going to get any kind of allocation. So to increase your chances here with the allocation, you just go with your family members demat. If you have 4-member family, if all they have these demat accounts with the separate PAN numbers linked to it, try to apply from them. Even if you apply for 2 lots or 3 lots also in a single account, you are not going to get considered. Only 1 lot will be considered, unless if it is undersubscribed. If it is undersubscribed, you are going to get your 2 lots or 3 lots, which is less likely with this IPO. This is with Ola Electric IPO, guys. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.